All right, try it number 3. Amir and Marvin continue until they each flip a coin 200 times. How do you expect Amir's result and Marvin's results to compare? How would their results compare with expected results based on theoretical probabilities? So what I'm going to interpret this, it's kind of worded a bit uniquely. But I'm going to take these results we had and I'm going to expand them. That was 50 tosses. We're not going to do 50 tosses. We're now doing 200 tosses. So what I'm going to do is project the same outcomes that they currently have across 200 tosses. Would I expect this percentage right now, like Marvin is 60% chance of getting heads and a 40% chance of landing on tails? Do I expect that to stay consistent for his whole 200 flips? No, I don't. But we can project. So first of all, the theoretical, I'm going to respond to that. Theoretically, if they do it 200 times, we're going to expect tails 100 times, and we're going to expect heads 100 times. But right now, if I expand, sorry about that, if I expand these, this was 50 tosses. What can I do to 50 to turn it into 200? I can multiply by 4. We're really doing like a proportion here, right? So I'm really doing like 26 out of 50 tosses. I want to relate that to 200 tosses. So what did I do to 50 to do 200? We times by 4. So I'm going to take 26 and multiply that by 4. And it's 104. So I would expect for Amir 104 on heads. And for his tails result, we would do the same thing, 24 over 50, and convert that to a number out of 200. So I'm going to multiply that by 4 and get 96. Over here with Marvin, same thing. We got 50 tosses, but we're relating it to 200 tosses. So that one's going to turn into 120 over 200. And then over here, we're going to get 80 out of 200. But that's just based on them continuing their trend. Would you really expect that trend to stay consistent for their next 150 tosses? No. If I was doing the experiment, I'd expect that they're changing that percentage with every single flip that they take. And it might come back to that, but usually it's going to change.